Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this instant CB success. You're looking for an instant CB success review, or you're just doing your research to see if this is for you, if you can use this piece of software to actually help you with your marketing. Right, so I am going to go into that in a second, but if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please just take a second and hit that subscribe button below. Also remember to tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And I'm constantly doing that. Any product I think is worth a review, any tips, any tricks, anything I think is potentially going to help you in your marketing, I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and just hit that subscribe button below. And if at any point you want to get access to my 4-part affiliate marketing training course, where I take you through the basics of affiliate marketing, then again, I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on that. Get completely free access to that 4-part affiliate marketing course. Okay, let's get started. So instant CB success. The CB obviously stands for ClickBank. And so it's going to show you about how to get instant ClickBank success. His name's Daniel. I won't try and do his surname because I'm just going to butcher it. But he's a Nigerian marketer that he makes a lot of these types of Warrior Plus products. He's like a serial Warrior Plus product creator. And this one now, he's saying he's going to help you to conquer ClickBank. It's going to help you put up what we call funnels, which is like just basic sites, basically. He's going to help you put up a funnel that will help you to sell ClickBank products. Now, ClickBank products, if you are an affiliate, they're the easiest one to get started with because you don't have to worry about approval and all this sort of stuff. So that's why most people start on ClickBank. So he's saying you can use this app here. So the brand new app creates ClickBank money sites that get you free automated traffic and passive commissions in 5 minutes flat. Already you hear these sort of headlines and already you think, okay, shiny object. It's very, very targeted to the shiny object. But, give it a chance. Let's go through it. So what it's going to, I'll just tell you in essence, what it's going to do is create basic sites for you. We call them funnels. So it's going to have a site, like a review site, that's going to review a product on ClickBank. So say you find a product, let's just call it Weight Loss 1. It's then going to put up a site, Weight Loss 1 review, and it's going to, make the site for you. Do you know what I mean? It's going to add bonuses to the site. It's also going to give you an option to actually build a list. So make what we call opt-in pages, maybe opt-in videos where people can click and leave their email address, and then you can build a list with that, and then you can send people on to the Weight Plus 1 product. I hope that makes sense, because ideally you do want to build a list. That's kind of what's going to help you, So I think to integrate this with whatever you're using to build your list, say Aweber, you're probably going to have to get a bit of the upsell. I don't think it comes on the front end product, but you can get that. So in essence, it's building very basic sites, very basic funnel sites, that you can use. So here's all the stuff ClickBank offers that make you At last, the solution lets you create job-crushing income, set and forget, blah, 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 100% newbie friendly, no monthly fees, world-class support team, get results, or we'll pay you $100. So I don't know about that, but hey. So this is very, very, very simple stuff. Again, step 1, you choose from a niche from ClickBank, and there's 80 different niches. Step 2, you get the traffic, and this is included with traffic. They're going to give you traffic. Step 3, you warm up the traffic, so they're going to give you email swipes so that when you do get people on your list, you can keep emailing them about all the different offers on ClickBank. Weight Loss 1, Weight Loss 2, you can just keep emailing them about different offers and hopefully eventually they'll buy. And then step 4, profit, make tons and tons of money. And then he goes on to just show you all these income proofs and all this sort of stuff. Now, what gets me here is where he's talking about the traffic. Let's just go through this here. Where he's talking about the traffic, he's talking about these review sites that he's going to help you build, the beginning of the funnel, are going to rank page 1 on Google. So that's where you're going to get your traffic, because you're going to rank on Google. Obviously, your page 1 on Google, you're going to get loads of traffic if you rank page 1. And then you're going to get tons of traffic. You're going to send them to whatever ClickBank product you're promoting, and there you go, tons and tons of money coming in. But this is where the problem comes for me, because more than likely, you're not going to rank page 1 on Google. It's not that easy to rank page 1 on Google. You just put up one basic site, and then you're going to rank page 1 on Google. And if that is your selling point, that you can rank me page 1 on Google, why have we not mentioned that on any part of this page at all? Warmed up traffic, blah, blah, blah. It's all about how do you do it? How do we do it? we rank them on Google, and then he's just talking about all the money you're going to make. Yeah, look, one ClickBank funnel on review sites gets you free buyer traffic and all these stuff. But wouldn't you put there on your site, wouldn't you put, here's Google, here's page 1, and here's the site that I ranked, a review site that I ranked. This is the problem with this stuff. This does what most people would want to do when they first try and promote a ClickBank product. It puts up a funnel. And that is what you need to build to sell any product. You do need to build a funnel. So it does help you with some of that. Yeah. It helps you with the opt-in page. It helps you with the review. It helps you with the bonuses. Okay. The bonuses and the sites look a bit pedestrian. They're not the greatest looking sites. The bonuses are like old school ebooks, and, you know, they're not the greatest looking ebooks and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean? So it helps you with what you need to do. But the main bit is the traffic. And most of these sites, I mean, lots of these kind of apps and stuff are missing on the traffic. They make it out that the traffic's that easy. You're just going to rank page 1 on Google. It's not that easy. It's called SEO. It takes time to do that. Most people have to consistently put videos out or consistently put articles out before they start to see themselves ranking on page 1 of Google. You don't just put one article out and you think you're going to rank page 1 of Google. Very unlikely. You know, so that's why it's just easy to just sell this to newbies and say, look, basically you're going to get free traffic because you don't really understand how it is, what you got to go through to rank these sort of things, you know? So look, that's my bit on it. There's loads of upsells. With this one, I think there's 7 different upsells, and that's really where they make their money with this. From bringing out these products, from affiliates selling it, and then from just ramping up the upsells. Yeah, there's 7. The first one, this one, it's actually cost $17 to buy this, and you can only build 2 of these sites. If you want to build unlimited, then you've got to get the upsell. Upsell 1 is $47. Upsell 2 is some recurring Pro Tools. That's $27. Upsell 3 is a done for you, $197. Upsell 4 is some ninja training, $14. Upsell 5 is another unlimited traffic, $197. But if you're ranking page 1 of Google, why would you need to get unlimited traffic? You're getting unlimited traffic. But anyway, upsell $597. Upsell 6, a reseller license. If you want to resell this onto other people, which is probably the best thing I would say to do, buy it and then resell it if you're all right with doing that. And then upsell 7, $197, something to do with white label, you know? So my thing is, listen, if you want to build a basic funnel, then these things are okay to do that. You know, they're not the greatest looking funnels, but at least you got a funnel. Yeah. But you have to know that the bit you're going to struggle with is the traffic. So you might get, if you're a newbie, you'll probably have a funnel built with this. You're going to still need to learn how to do traffic. Are you going to need to learn how to pay for traffic or start putting content out there? Do you know, and they even give you some like, email swipes. So I'm sorry, Facebook's ad copy swipes that you can use Facebook to get traffic, you know. So it's up to you. If you want to get it, that's fine. It's called Instant ClickBank Success, but I still think that the traffic problem is still going to be there with these things. And that's my opinion on it. You know, it's just my own personal opinion. It's up to you whether you want to get it or not. Do you know? But I know with these sort of things, I personally used to be the shiny object product buyer. I was the Warrior Plus product buyer. I was the first in the queue to buy these sort of things because it told me I could get traffic in 5 minutes. I didn't have to do no work basically, and I could make tons and tons of money, tons and tons of commission, basically doing nothing. But what you find in time, and what I unfortunately had to find out the hard way, is that you're going to go full circle. Yeah, if you want to make affiliate marketing a business, you're going to need to learn how to do these things. You're going to need to learn how to put up funnels, and it's not that difficult once you do it. You're going to need to know how to drive traffic. Most important, you know, you're going to need to know how to build relationships with people like that. And once you do it, it's not that difficult, you know, but like I said, I personally had to go through that journey, you know, but I was lucky. I was really lucky. I met 2 mentors that actually helped me with that, helped me to drive traffic, helped me to learn about traffic, turn traffic into leads and turn leads into sales, and do that on a consistent basis, you know. So that's why, like I said earlier, I put together this free 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you to do the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you are getting traffic, a place where you are getting leads, a place where you are getting sales. And if you're interested in seeing that, then like I said earlier, I'll leave a link below this video. You can click on that, get completely free access to this 4-part video affiliate marketing course, you know. So if that was interesting, just click that link below. Alright, but either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, then please just give it a thumbs up. Also share it to anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any comments, any questions at all, then please leave it in the comments box below. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.